we tend to have a little bit more time right now, even if our brains are working overtime, but we tend to physically have a little bit more time. Now's a great time to comb through your website and look at content. I can't tell you how many people we see that's like, oh, been in business for 10 years when really the content was written 5 years ago and now they've been in business for 15. So not only is it a good time to just comb through your website and make sure it's updated, update that picture, that headshot that you had from 10 years ago. It's just a good time to go through that. And then as you update that on your site, it's also going to help with your SEO because now you're changing and updating the content on the site. So that's a big help for SEO and a great way to use time. Google My Business and LSA support from Google is limited right now. So they close down a lot of their phone centers. So you'll probably notice that like Google My Business, people can't leave a review. So if you're having something that's sending people to Google My Business to leave a review, maybe take the time now to change where that goes. Facebook is still taking reviews. Yelp is still taking them. They have some other things in place, but Facebook, it's a great place to push people. Keep getting those reviews, but just pay attention. So LSA closed down their phone center, their email support only still. So if you want to make changes to those things, get the changes in sooner versus later because it's going to take longer to submit right now.
I love that tip you just gave on SEO because Andrew asked the question of what's the best way to boost SEO in a time like this, and definitely coming through your website and updating all those things is such a great tip.